Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw the new Godzilla from the upcoming Netflix show, Godzilla Singular Point. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and follow along. Now we're just going to stick with the face of this drawing. Now to start here, I'm going to begin right here and I'm going to draw the eye. So I'm just going to make a little circle shape for the eye. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around it. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come way far back here. Then I'm going to take this line and bring it all the way back here to a point. We're going to add a couple little curved lines right underneath it. And then right here I'm going to add a little curved line and then a little dot inside of here for the pupil. Next, starting right here, I'm going to add a little line that's going to curve up, and then one more here. And then one small one right there. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and it's going to curve to here to kind of start where the mouth is going to be. Starting here, I want to make a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come down for the nose. And then a little line is going to go up and down here for the nostril. A little line around it for some detail. Then right here I'm going to add just a couple little spikes along here. And a little line is going to go up and down for the other side of the eye. And then right here we'll make a little line that goes down here. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line right up here that curves up and down. I'm going to make another one that curves up here. Now I'm going to make one that just goes up and then down here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go up and over. And then I'm going to curl it back here. Make a line that's going to curl around and come up. Make another line that curls up here. And then one that's going to come all the way to here. Now let's add some of the teeth in here. So first there's going to be a really big fang that goes down and it's going to come right up here. Then I'm going to add some other sharp teeth all the way around here. I'm going to put some in here. And then there's going to be a couple longer ones right in the front there. Now right here he's going to have two big teeth coming out of the bottom. A couple small ones in between here. And then he's going to have some curved teeth going different directions here. Then I'm going to draw another one that goes down and up, and I'm going to put some teeth on the other side here. And then right here I'm just going to add a little line that comes down for the tongue. Now, starting down here, I'm going to begin with the neck. I'm going to begin right here. I'm going to make a line that goes down, and then it's going to curve right up here towards the jaw. I'm going to start this next one down here, like in from the point a little bit. I'm going to curve it around. Another one here. One here, and then one right here. Then I'm going to make kind of like a wavy, bumpy line that comes down here towards the end. Put another curved line there. Next, I'm going to take this line and I'm going to add some bumps here. And then I'm going to add some bumpy lines that go right off to here. Now, starting up here, I'm going to make some little points, and I'm going to bring these all the way back. So I start down here, and then I bring them back towards the body. And I'm going to do this all the way along here, and I want them to get bigger and bigger as I start to come towards the edge of the paper. Now I'm going to add another row of these going up here, and I'm going to make these just a little bigger. So I'm just going to add another row. Then right here I'm going to add a few more to kind of finish off the top of the head. Then right here I'm going to add some more spikes. Just like that. Now, I want to come in here and add some of the details. We have kind of like our basic shape done. We just want to come in here and add some of the different details. So one of the things I want to add is there's a bunch of lines on here. So I'm going to bring some little lines down here on the face. I'm going to bring some lines here. A few more right here. I'm going to add some kind of pointed lines right along here. Add some curved lines there. Some little broken lines here, a couple little lines right around here for the neck, or excuse me, for the lips. I'm going to add some broken lines here. Now, when I come down here, I'm going to add some quick little lines that have some little breaks in them all the way along here just to make some different texture details. And then I want to add some of these long lines going different directions. So I'm just going to make these lines. They're going to be going up and down. There's no set pattern. I'm just going to add all these lines in here for different textures and everything. And I'm going to do this all the way across the neck area here. Just all these little random broken lines all the way across. Now, when you're done with this, you want to add some big scales in here. Now, to do this, you want to create the scales nice and big down here, and then they're going to get smaller as they come up here. So the trick when drawing these is to just fill up the areas, and we're just going to make them really rounded in here. Want them to kind of look like they're on top of each other, behind each other. So I'm just going to really fill up this area with lots of scales. And once I get up here, I'm going to just slowly start to make them a little bit smaller as I come up here towards the face. So we're just going to add all these different little shapes in here. Just to kind of fill this up. Then when I come up here, I'm going to add some more little scale patterns here. Now I want to come in here and add some different little details on here. So I'm just going to add some quick little broken lines on all of these just to give them a little bit more of like a three-dimensional look. So I'm just going to kind of add these quick little curved lines onto here. I'm just going to do this kind of right around the edge here of these scales. On these, I'm going to add some different little broken lines, kind of similar to what I did down here, and just to add more detail to it. And then I'm also going to do kind of the same thing up here, all the way around. And you just kind of want to add broken lines into your different spots on here. Just kind of give it some detail. Then on here on the face, we're just going to kind of come in and add some quick little lines onto all of these different spots. Lots of broken, kind of swirly, wavy lines all over. I'm just going to kind of put these all over here. And I'm just going to kind of fill this area in up here with all these little lines. Just to give it some detail. Maybe put some lines on the teeth too, some of these bigger ones. And there you go. Here is your drawing of a close-up of the Godzilla Singular Point creature. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.